Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork chow. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1 pound of pork sliced thinly and a variety of fresh vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and bell peppers, all chopped. Don't forget your chow mein noodles, which will be the base of our delicious dish. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process, making your meal come together effortlessly. Now let's cook the pork. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your thinly sliced pork and stir-fry it until it's beautifully browned and cooked through, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's done, remove the pork from the pan and set it aside. This step creates a flavorful foundation for our chow, locking in all those delicious juices. Next, we'll stir-fry the vegetables. Add a little more oil to your pan if necessary, then toss in your chopped vegetables. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a nice bite. Now, add your cooked chow mein noodles to the pan. Toss everything together, ensuring the vegetables and noodles are well combined and heated through, creating a vibrant and appealing mix. Finally, let's bring it all together. Return the cooked pork to the pan with the stir-fried vegetables and noodles. Pour in about 1/2 cup of your favorite chow mein sauce, ensuring every ingredient is generously coated. Toss everything gently for 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce is well distributed and heated through. Your easy homemade pork chow is now ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.